Hey guys, in this video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Tapo Mini Smart Wi-Fi socket from TP-Link. Now, this is a budget-friendly, compact, smart plug that works with Google Assistant and Alexa. So let's see what's inside and if it's worth it. So here, I'm just gonna cut along here at the bottom. Cut the wrapping here as well. Remove the wrapping. Has a 2-year warranty on this device. There are 4 pieces in this box. Okay, so has some very mini quick starter guide. It's got a QR code which we can download the user guide. Okay, so here are the 4 sockets. It's quite sturdy, strong build. There are 4 inside, right here. Now the socket is fairly compact and lightweight. Now what I like right away is the clean white design. It won't stand out too much on the wall, on your wall, and it's small enough to not block other sockets. Now the setup is super simple. Just plug into the wall socket. Okay, so if you plug into the wall socket right here, you can see it is fairly small, giving enough space for other plug in here as well. So I can plug in my other chargers. No problems at all. Just have enough space even for another charger here. So just plug it in. I'm just gonna press on the button to start it. Okay, at the back of the box it said that it has remote control, voice control, device sharing, schedule and timer, boost Wi-Fi, usage time tracking, away mode, easy setup, and flame retardant. Okay, so here I'm going to plug it into a plug here so we can set up. Okay, so here I'm going to press on the power button. When you press on the power button, there is a small light right here. It will flash orange and green. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to go into your Play Store, Google Play Store, and then just type in Tapo and then install the app. Next we open up the app, and then we're just going to need to register for an account. So sign in with your account and then tap on add device. We go down and select plug. So select plug and then select the model name. So on the box here, my model name is Tapo P100. So TP100. Then so we power up the device, make sure the light flashes orange and green, which it is. So tap on all the orange and green and then tap on enable. Here tap on allow, and then tap on enable to turn on location, then tap on while using the app. Okay, now it's trying to look for the device right here. It's trying to link to the app. Okay, look like it is located and found, and it's searching for the Wi-Fi network. So we're going to need to set up the Wi-Fi so that this can connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, this TP-Link uses only 2.4 gigahertz, so we're going to select a 2.4 gigahertz and then put in the password. Put in the password, your Wi-Fi password, and tap on the next button. Okay, next we can give it a name. So a smart plug, say if you want to place it in the garage, we give it a name, garage. So smart plug, garage, TP-Link. And then tap on next. And we select a custom location, can be bedroom, kitchen, living room. Here I will name it garage. Garage. Garden light. And then tap on next. Here it says choose an icon for your Tapo device. So here, because it is a light, let's see if I can choose a light. There's no specific garden light. Maybe I can choose the fence here and then tap on next. Here, tap on check firmware. And so here, firmware update, new firmware is available, so I'm going to update now. Okay, now I'm going to tap on sounds good, and then tap on got it. Okay, so here there is a button. I can simply tap on it to turn on, off, like so. So we can test it out. Here I can plug in this, and I'm going to plug in this light into a charger here. So here's my light on my phone. I can tap on it to turn on or off. Now within the app, there are a lot of features that you can do. If you tap on the gun light, it will show you the runtime. You can tap on the power button to turn on or off. You can schedule so that it will turn on or turn off automatically. So here we can choose when to turn on, when it will switch off, and the repeat day. Here, if I go back, we can also set a timer. So device on, device off. So when the device will turn on and when the device will turn off. So we can turn on and start for 1 minute. So in a minute, it will turn on. And then you can set it so that when it will turn off. So here we can set it to turn off in a minute. Yeah, I'll go back and turn on. Then we go down the timer. It is counting down. So after a minute, it will turn off. There are smart actions as well. So depending on what you are using your app for. So here it's a not available device to turn off light. Turn off appliances. So here we can choose the one and then tap on add button. And here we got recommended shortcut, prepare for sleep. So I just tap on that and it turned off the device, preparing for sleep. So that in fact have been turned off. So if I turn it back on quickly, and here we'll check the timer. So we got a timer here. It will automatically turn off based on the timer. And it is now turning off. So we have tested the light and it responds instantly to commands. You can turn it on or off from your phone or even automate the routines. It's great for things like lamps, fans, coffee makers, garden light. At this price point, you can't really go wrong. For 60 Australian dollars, you can get 4 of this, or in the US, it's a lot cheaper. So it's a smart home essential if you're just starting out. So my final verdict with this Tapo is that if you're looking for a compact, reliable, and affordable smart plug, the Tapo Mini is definitely worth checking out. So let me know in the comments what you use it for. So here I can also use Google command to turn it on or off. So I can say, hey Google, turn on the front garden light. And,
okay, I turned on the front garden light.
Hey Google, turn off the front garden light. And there you go. You can use Google to ask it to turn it on or off for you without you having to touch or open the app. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So that's right there. You get 4 devices in here. Thank you for watching.